Are you over 60 and worried about losing your strength? Do you feel like climbing stairs or carrying groceries is getting harder every year? You might think those expensive protein powders are the only answer. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural food you can eat every day to protect your muscles? It's affordable, easy to find, and probably already in your kitchen. Muscle loss is a serious issue as we age. After 60, our bodies naturally start to lose muscle mass at a faster rate. This condition, called sarcopenia, doesn't just make you feel weaker. It can make everyday activities a real struggle and even increase your risk of falls and injuries. But here's the good news. You don't need to rely on fancy supplements to fight back. Nature has already provided us with the perfect tools to keep our muscles strong and healthy. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this amazing food is and how to easily make it part of your daily routine. I'm going to give you a simple, practical plan to maintain your muscle health, boost your strength, and keep you feeling active and independent for years to come. So, let's get started. First, let's understand why muscle loss happens after 60. As we get older, our bodies go through many changes, and one of the biggest is how we maintain our muscles. They begin to shrink and weaken. Suddenly, simple things like getting up from a chair or walking to the mailbox can feel like a major effort. This isn't just about feeling tired. Weaker muscles put more strain on your bones, which can lead to a higher risk of fractures if you fall. A lot of people think this is just because they're less active, but that's only part of the story. Even seniors who stay active can experience muscle loss. Why? Our bodies become less efficient at using protein to build and repair muscle tissue. Hormonal changes also play a big part in this process. But please, don't feel discouraged. The most important thing to know is that this is not a one-way street. You can absolutely slow it down and even reverse some of it. With the right nutrition and some simple daily habits, you can protect your muscles, and you don't need to spend a fortune on powders to do it. Speaking of which, let's talk about protein powders. We see them everywhere, with ads promising to keep us strong and full of energy. Many seniors turn to them, thinking they're the magic bullet for muscle health. But here's the honest truth. They aren't always the best solution, and for some, they can even cause problems. For one, many older adults find that powders are hard to digest, leading to bloating, gas, or stomach discomfort. That's no fun for anyone. Then there's the cost. Buying these tubs of powder every month can really add up and put a strain on your budget. Plus, not all protein powders are created equal. Some are loaded with hidden sugars, artificial sweeteners, or low-quality protein that your body can't even use effectively. And perhaps the biggest issue is what they're missing. Powders are just isolated protein. Real whole foods, on the other hand, provide a complete package of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and fiber that work together to support your muscles and your overall health. So, while powders might seem like an easy fix, they often fall short. The great news is there's a much better, more natural option. So, what is this must-eat food for seniors over 60 to prevent muscle loss? The answer is simple, humble, and powerful. Eggs. That's right, eggs. They are a true nutritional powerhouse, packed with high-quality protein that is incredibly easy for your body to absorb and use. This protein provides all the essential amino acids, the building blocks your body needs to repair and maintain strong muscles. But the benefits don't stop at protein. Eggs are also rich in other crucial nutrients. They contain vitamin B12, which is vital for nerve function and energy production, and selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Unlike processed powders, eggs are a whole food, natural, incredibly affordable, and available everywhere. Making eggs a regular part of your diet can make a real difference in maintaining your muscle mass, improving your strength, and keeping you active and mobile. Just 1 or 2 eggs a day can give your body a significant boost. And the best part? They're one of the most versatile foods on the planet. You can boil them, scramble them, fry them, or make a delicious omelet. They fit perfectly into any meal of the day, making it easy to get that muscle-protecting power. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I get it. Eggs are good for me. But how do I actually fit them into my diet every day without getting bored? It's easier than you think. Let's start with breakfast. A hard-boiled egg is the perfect grab-and-go option. You can boil a few at the start of the week. Enjoy one with a slice of whole-grain toast or some fresh fruit. Or if you have a few more minutes, scramble an egg with some spinach and tomatoes for a nutrient-packed start to your day. For lunch, how about a simple veggie omelet? It's quick, filling, and you can toss in any vegetables you have on hand, like mushrooms, bell peppers, or onions. You could also mash a hard-boiled egg with a little Greek yogurt and herbs to make a healthier egg salad for a sandwich or to eat with crackers. And for dinner, don't forget the classic breakfast for dinner. Scrambled eggs with a side of beans and a small salad makes for a light yet satisfying meal. You can even slice a boiled egg and add it to soups or stews for an extra protein kick. The key is to mix it up. By preparing eggs in different ways and pairing them with other healthy foods, you'll keep your meals exciting and your body well-nourished. Of course, eating eggs is a fantastic step, but it's one piece of a larger puzzle. To truly protect your muscles, you need a holistic approach. Staying active is just as important as what you eat. You don't need a gym membership or heavy equipment. Simple strength exercises you can do at home are incredibly effective. Think about doing chair squats, just standing up and sitting down from a sturdy chair 10 times. Or try wall push-ups to strengthen your upper body. Even lifting small hand weights or water bottles while you watch TV can help maintain muscle and improve your balance. And please don't underestimate the power of walking. A brisk 20 to 30-minute walk each day is amazing for your legs, your heart, and your mood. It boosts your energy and keeps everything moving. Another crucial tip is to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for your muscles and joints to function properly. Dehydration can quickly lead to feelings of weakness and fatigue, so keep a water bottle handy. Finally, while eggs are the star, be sure to include other supportive foods in your diet. Things like beans, lentils, Greek yogurt, nuts, and fish also provide excellent protein and a wide array of vitamins and minerals. Think of it this way. A balanced diet, with eggs playing a leading role, gives your muscles all the support they need to stay strong. So, let's wrap this all up. We've learned that muscle loss after 60 is a common challenge, but it's one you have the power to influence. You don't need to waste your money on expensive, processed protein powders that may not even work for you. The solution is much simpler and more natural. By making whole foods like eggs a daily habit, you provide your body with the high-quality protein and essential nutrients it needs to protect your muscles and maintain your strength. Combine this powerful food with other healthy habits. Get a little movement in every day with simple exercises and walking. Stay hydrated, and eat a variety of other protein-rich foods. These small, consistent steps will make a huge difference in how you feel. You'll have more energy, more strength, and more confidence to enjoy your life to the fullest. Start today. Add an egg to your breakfast, go for a short walk, and drink an extra glass of water. Your muscles and your future self will thank you. Remember, it is never too late to take control of your health. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on healthy aging. We'll see you in the next video.